The Metanet is about lowering the bar for developers and making it easier for average people to build really cool apps that put users in control of all of their information. What I'd like to do in this video is talk about some of the ways that people can get involved and get started with experiencing and even building the future of apps. We're going to be hosting an upcoming hackathon in Medford, Oregon, and you can learn more about that hackathon on bsvhackathon.com. But if you're just getting started with the Metanet and you want to get started with, basically downloading some software on your computer or your phone to experience what this new world might look like down the road, maybe head over to getmetanet.com, where you can get on the Metanet. Whether you're on your computer or your phone, you can install a program or an app that lets you interact with any number of different apps which are being developed by a great community of people who care about privacy, putting users at the center, reducing the number of pesky online passwords, and in general, helping people to interact in more meaningful ways with technology. So once you have the software, then you can head over to metanetapps.com. And while you're there, you can experience basically you'll see a list of all of the cool things that people have been building. So anybody can publish their app on metanetapps.com, and there are some interesting ones. Let's check out Immutify, an app created by my friend Braden Langley. This is a security app, essentially. It's for how you can get some ideas out there without sharing them with the whole world. You can basically do the poor man's patent trick, where you take an idea and you hash it, and then it's essentially there for anyone to verify. You can upload files, and then you can post your idea on the blockchain. Immutify is just one example. There are others. For example, if you care about artists and helping to empower people to create the future of cool music and podcasts, then you can check out tempomusic.net, where you can upload and listen to songs while directly paying artists small amounts of money to show some appreciation for the work they put into producing a particular song. The Tempo code is open sourced and available for any developers interested in building the future of apps as well. If you want to undergo a training so that you can learn the skills necessary to create these kinds of apps where users hold the keys to their identities, their data, and are able to interact securely, then you can check out metanetacademy.com, where you can learn all the skills necessary. You can see the catalog of courses that are available, including Promise of Blockchain, which is a general course available for pretty much anybody who basically just wants to know about what this stuff can do. And then things get more technical with some of these later courses, but even in the blockchain engineering course, there's some hands-on labs and some ways that developers can get started with some practical experience creating some apps and things like that. So definitely check these things out. And then when you're ready to join the hackathon, you can go to bsvhackathon.com and you can let us know you're going to be there. They'll be at the Rockefeller on the lower level of the Rogue Valley Mall. So looking forward to see you on October 10th and the 11th. And it's going to be a fun time. There's going to be $10,000 worth of prizes. We're here to empower the future of builders, give students good career path if they've spent a lot of time getting a software degree, for example, or something like that. We want to make sure that it's as easy as possible for people to build and experience the future of apps, where it's not about the platform, it's about putting the average person back into control of their online experience. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you on October 10th and the 11th, Rockefeller Center in Medford, Oregon.